fold the entire pieces in half from top to bottom. This gives you a perfectly folded kurti that's ready to be stored in your closet and pack for trouble. And there you have it, a beautiful folds kurti, long kurti that save space and keep your wardrobe organized. Remember, practice make perfect, so don't hesitate to try this a few times until you get it just right. If you found this helpful, drop a like, share, comment in the comment section. Next, are you ready of your saree getting tangled or wrinkled in your storage? Let me show you how to organize your saree in a bag or box, keeping them pristine and accessible. First, let's talk about folding. Start laying your saree flat on a clean surface. Fold in a half lengthwise and then fold it on a third. This method reduces creases and make it easier to stack. Next of storage, I recommended using breathable cotton bags, and these prevent dust and accumulations while allowing air circulation. So place each folded sarees neatly inside the bag and make sure to label each one. This way you will know exactly which saree is which without rummaging through them. Now, if you are using a box, opt for a sturdy acid-free storage box. Line the bottom with acid-free tissues papers to provide cushions for your sarees, and stack the bags vertically inside the box. This is not to save space but also allow you to see all your sarees at a glance. For added protections, considering placing a few lavender sketches in the box. They keep your sarees smelling fresh and deter pests. And when you are ready to wear a saree, simply take it out of the bag or box and give it a gentle shake. Most of the wrinkles should fall out, but if needed, a light steam will do the trick. By following these steps, you can keep your saree beautifully organized and ready to wear at any time. Remember, a little organization goes a long way in preventing the elegance of your saree. So if you want to purchase this organizers, then I'll share link is in description box, you can check it out. So guys, I just wanted to take a moment to say thank you. Thank you for watching my video. Your support means the world to me, and I couldn't do this without you. Creating content that entertain and inspire you is my passion, and I am grateful for the opportunity to do what I love every day. And whether you have been following me from the beginning or just recently discovered my channel, I appreciate each and every one of you, and I am committed to bringing you the best content possible, and I am always looking for the ways to improve and grow as a creator. Your feedback and comment are incredible valuable to me, so please keep them coming. If you have not already, please consider subscribing to my channel so you never miss a new video. And if you enjoy my content, please share it with your friends and family. Once again, thank you for your support. It means more than word can express. I can't wait to continue creating content that bringing joy and inspiration to your life. So guys, till then, bye, take care, see you in the next video.